The Today in Manufacturing podcast offers a powerful and unique perspective on the biggest stories impacting U.S. manufacturers. Anna Wells, David Manty, and Jeff Ranke apply their experience as editors of industry-leading brands Manufacturing.net and Industrial Equipment News in providing in-depth analysis of the latest headlines. Their insight, along with a mix of humor and human interest, makes Today in Manufacturing a go-to source. Keep pace with supply chain challenges, electric vehicle developments, labor struggles, robotics, and more by listening, downloading, and subscribing to the Today in Manufacturing podcast.
LEGO provided an update in its efforts to move away from fossil fuels in its bricks. According to Reuters, the toy maker said it is on pace to switch to a pricier recycled and renewable plastic by 2032, having secured long-term agreements with producers. The company has already evaluated more than 600 materials in an effort to replace oil in its bricks by 2030. Previously, LEGO attempted to substitute its plastic with a material derived from recycled plastic bottles. However, the company discovered that producing bricks from recycled plastic would require additional materials and energy in order to make them durable enough. This would mean more carbon emissions, and the company elected to continue using its fossil fuel-based materials. LEGO also implemented a recycling initiative in 2019 that asked customers to ship unwanted plastic bricks back to the company, so it could donate them to classrooms and nonprofits. LEGO's latest solution involves gradually reducing the brick's oil content. CEO Niels Christensen acknowledged this means spending more money on production, as the company intends to pay up to 70% more for certified renewable resin. Christensen added that LEGO is on pace to have over half of the resin it needs in 2026 certified, marking a 30% increase in the first half of this year. Other toy makers have already adopted sustainable practices, such as American company Hasbro, which started implementing recycled or plant-based materials into some of its toys. Additionally, Barbie maker Mattel has announced plans to use solely recyclable, recycled, or bio-based plastics in all of its products by the end of the decade. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.